Hi, in this video I will explain how to change who can send you direct messages on TikTok. Before heading to the tutorial, please make sure your TikTok is on the latest version. Okay, let's jump into TikTok. In the initial appearance of TikTok, click the person icon in the lower right corner to enter your profile. The next step, click on the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Then, click on Settings and Privacy. The next step, click on the Privacy button to set the privacy of your TikTok account. Scroll down and click on Direct Messages. Click here to change who can send you direct messages on TikTok. You can change to everyone, suggested friend, and others. I hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have questions.